Today on Math Sparks, the topic is solving quadratic equations with completing square method. Let's take a start. If we are given with the equation x square minus 12x minus 5 equal to 0, we are asked to solve it with the completing square format. The very first thing is this: we need to arrange it in this way. X square minus 12x equal to 5 means we have to take constant on the right side of the equal to. Furthermore, if you look at the step 1, make sure the leading coefficient is 1. Means x square's coefficient, the number written before x square should be 1. Okay, here it is already 1. Next thing, you are going to check the coefficient of x. Here we can see the coefficient of x is 12. So 12 is divided by 2. It gives us 6. Next step, we are going to add and subtract 6 square. Okay. Now this particular thing, it is equal to our now this thing is equal to our second identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So replacing it with x minus 6. So replacing it with x minus 6 whole square, considering a as x and b as 6. Now, on the other side of equal to, I'm taking this minus 6 as 6 square, it becomes plus 6x. 5 plus. In order to solve it, we are going to take square root on both sides. Now, the same question can come in P1 and same question can come in P2. Now, here, square root of 41. It is not a perfect square. So, obviously, we are supposed to use calculator for it. But if the same question is with some perfect square, then it will be a P1 question. Square root of 41 gives us 6.4. Now we are going to take either x minus 6 equal to 6.4 or x minus 6 is equal to minus 6.4. Means x is equal to 6.4 plus 6, x equal to, let's check out. The question also comes like this, that express a given expression in x plus a whole square plus b format. This is also a completing square format which can be asked to express an expression in this form. For example, the question is express x square plus 10x. Now here what we are going to do, x square plus 10x, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we are going to add 5 square, we are going to subtract 5 square. Now here it's matching to our first identity, so it will become x plus 5 whole square minus 5 square, means it's going to give us x plus 5 whole square minus 25. This is our required format of the x plus a whole square plus b. Now the same question or a similar question may comes like this, that x square minus 10x. If we need to express this expression, x square minus 10x, again plus 5 square minus 5 square. Now here this is resembling to our second identity, so it will become x minus 5 whole square minus 25 as our required answer. Let's move on. Here is an example. X square plus 6x plus 8. We have to solve it by completing square method. Coefficient of x is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Adding 3 square and subtracting 3 square. Now this is our first identity. So we have done x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square goes on the right side to become plus 3 square. Minus 8 plus 9 is 1. Now taking square root on both sides, you can see we get two answers. Let's move on to some past papers questions. We have to express this in x plus a whole square plus b format. Let's attempt it. So again here x square minus 6x. So we will add 3 square, we will subtract 3 square, minus 7 was the part of the question. It is relevant to our second identity. Minus 3 square is minus 9, minus 7. So x minus 3 whole square is minus 16. Now check out, they have asked us to write down the value of a and b. So matching up with the given required format. So here a will be minus 3, b will be minus 16. Hence solve the equation x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. The first part is completing square. It means we have to carry on with the completing square format instead of solving it with factorization or some other way. So just copying up the answer of the first part, taking 16 on to the other side, 0 plus 16 gives us 16. Taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, plus minus 4. We can take either x minus 3 equal to 4 or x minus 3 equal to minus 4.